Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss if we have given set of data, how to find out range and interquartile range. So to find out range, it's simple. What we have to do is just that range is largest value take away smallest value. So that gives me, because this is arranged in ascending order, so I can say the largest value is 30 and smallest value is 5. So that gives me 25. Now the question is how to find out IQR. So if you know that IQR is the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. Now how to find out upper quartile and lower quartile? This is discrete set of data, ungrouped data. Okay, so what we have to do is, so this is given set of data. So let me write down what is n. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means the number of data values is 7. As you know that if you have to find out median, so median will be the middle value. It is arranged in ascending order, so I just need to go for the middle value, that is 17. So I'll write down here Q2 is nothing but median. So I'll write down that is 17. So now we have to see that the lower set of data, and to find out Q1 we have to find out the middle value of the lower set of data, that is 8. So I can write down here, so Q1 is 8. Now similarly I have the upper set of data and I have to find out the middle value, and that will give me Q3. So let me write down here, so that is Q3, that is Q1, and this is my Q2. It will be much more easier to see this. So now I can write down here Q3 is 25. Now I have Q3, that is 25, take away 8, so 25 take away 8 gives me 17. So that's my IQR. Now we have another set of data, so that is not arranged in ascending order or descending order. So let's first arrange it in ascending order. The question is same, we have to find out the range and interquartile range. So whenever you have to find out interquartile range for discrete ungrouped data, so we always start with arranging it in ascending order. That is better way. So the smallest one is 3.3. So let me write down is 3.3 with minus value, and then you have minus 3.2. So you have minus 3.2. That's gone, and then you have minus 2.6, so minus 2.6, and then minus 1.9, and then 0, and then 0.8, and then 4.6, and then 5.2. Yeah, everything is covered. So that's my data arranged in ascending order. Now we have to find out range. So what I will do for range, again range is, so largest value take away the smallest value. So this is my largest value, so 5.2 take away the smallest value, which is minus 3.3. So that will become 5.2 plus 3.3, which is 8.5. So now let's find out IQR. Again, IQR is upper quartile take away the lower quartile. Again, what we have to do, Q3. So let me mark my median. So let's find out the number of data values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 8 this time. So n is 8. The number of data values is 8. We have to find out the two middle values and take the average of the two middle values. So these are the two middle values, and if you have to find out the average of these two values, what you have to do is Q2 will be minus 1.9 plus 0 over 2, which is minus 0.95. That's Q2. So Q2 is somewhere in between, so that gives me Q2. To find out Q1, what you have to do, you have to see the lower set of data, so this set of data, and you have to find out the median of this set of data. So for that, as you can see, the number of data values in the lower set of data is 4. You have to find out the middle two values and take average of these two values. So Q1 will be minus 2.6 plus minus 3.2 over 2. So that gives me minus 2.9 if I use my calculator. So Q1 is that. So Q1 is going to be somewhere here. And now if I look for the upper set of data, which is this, so there are 4 values, even number of data. So what I have to do is take the 2 middle values and find the average of these 2 values. So Q3 is gonna be 4.6. So as you can see here, 4.6 plus 0.8 divided by 2. So 4.6 plus 0.8 divided by 2. So that gives me 2.7. So that means somewhere here. That is my Q3. Now I have to find out the IQR. So Q3 is 2.7. So let me write down 2.7 minus Q1 is minus 2.9. So write it 2.9. And you can use your calculators, or you can just do this way, 2.9. So that's 5.6. So that's your answer. That's your IQR.